Hi, welcome back to our channel. My name is Tori with Diesel Care and Performance. Today we're going to continue our series on our mileage maintenance kits, and today we're going to focus on the 200,000 mileage maintenance kit for the Ford IDI. So this kit is really designed to overhaul your fuel systems in your Ford IDI. The main part of that is going to be your injectors, of course. You're going to get a full set of remanufactured injectors for the IDI. Now these are the non-turbo. If you do have an aftermarket turbo on your application, you're gonna wanna make sure you mention that either to a salesperson or call in at 800-961-9290. It's gonna be a little bit different injector that you're gonna receive for that. But most everyone's going to have the non-turbo IDI. So you're going to get a full set of remanufactured injectors. Also, we're going to go ahead and include the return line kit for you. You want to make sure you go ahead and replace this as well, just to make sure that you're really overhauling as much as you can on the fuel systems. So this is going to take care of your injector side. And the thing that really makes this a preventative maintenance kit, a mileage maintenance kit, is you're going to get the pump with it as well. Some people will kind of whack-a-mole their maintenance on their trucks. We don't suggest doing that at Diesel Care. We're going to want to make sure you get both the fuel pump and the injectors done either at the same time or right around the same time, because you're going to have issues either in your pump. Maybe you have some fuel contaminants that are going to transfer over into your injectors. So you want to make sure, if you can, to go ahead, spend the money, take the time, and do this job right. So the other main part of the kit is going to be the fuel injection pump itself, commonly referred to as the DB2. This is a really popular pump here at Diesel Care. Over the years, we've kind of perfected remanning these in particular. It was actually one of the first products that we offered back in 2004, and today it is still one of the most popular pumps that we see. And it just really goes to show that these applications really will last 30, 40 years if you do the work to take care of them. So this pump in particular is going to be the 5013. It is made for the Ford 7.3 non-turbo. Anytime that we talk about application info or pump information, we always are referring to the data tag that's right here. I'm sure we'll do a close-up. And this is really going to be particular to your application. There are a lot of different DB2s out there. They cross over into the Chevy. They're in the 6.9, the 7.3. So we want to make sure that you get the right pump. Even if it looks similar to this, internal and some of the mounts, it's going to be a little bit different. So make sure you have your application info or the data tag information so that we can make sure that we get you the right application. This is going to be the other main part of the kit, along with the injectors. If you have any contaminants, if you have any anything that's not performing the best that it can in the fuel injection pump, you're not going to get the performance you really need out of your injectors. So some people will kind of play whack-a-mole with their maintenance, between the injectors and the injection pump itself. We say you want to go ahead and do as much preventative maintenance as possible on any truck that you own. And you want to make sure that if you do have an issue in your fuel pump, you're taking care of any fuel contaminants, anything that might be transferring over into those injectors. So with that being said, let's take a look at the kit all together. So this is the 200,000 mileage maintenance kit for the 6.9 7.3 Ford IDI. It retails for about $599, so just under $600. You're going to get all of the parts that you see here. If you know exactly what you need and you want to go ahead and purchase this kit, check us out online at www.dieselcare.store. Or if you're not quite sure and you want to speak to a salesperson first, give us a call at 800-961-9290. Thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. So make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. We appreciate your time.
Go ahead.